Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market right now. So this market stands in the very low range tight range retracement in the last week. It has no impact really on the big picture. So on the monthly chart and the weekly chart, it almost stands the same. And probably on the coming week, we also will continue to work with the intraday charts mostly, since it seems that the gold confirms our idea of the period butterfly pattern on the hourly chart that could lead market right to the 1255 area. So on the daily chart, that's why we do not have a lot of new issues, because also we speak about the gold market almost every session. It's now daily videos. So what we have here are relatively new. First of all, take a look at our ABCD pattern extension, and next target based on this ABC bottom pattern stands right here. This is 1278 100% extension, AB equals CD target. What's more interesting is that this target creates the agreement with the weekly 1278 resistance, major resistance level. That's why that probably will become our next destination point on the gold market. Second moment is the overbought line, and it shows it stands slightly higher than 1255, but it stands significantly below the 1278. It means that in the coming week, although this target could be important, but it's not as interested for us as this one, because it stands beyond the overbought, and it means that hardly market will reach it in the coming week. That's why next week we will be focused on 1255 area. Also, guys, next week will be relatively short, since it will be the President's Day on the Monday and markets will be closed in the United States. That's why this will be shorter week as usual. Then it's probably 1225. It's the maximum area that we could talk about. Also, guys, those of you who read our weekly researches probably could remember that and see that partially we start to bring some political news, some political moments in our researches. We do this not because we're politicians and we're interested in real political turmoil in different countries, but guys, just it has happened that the gold market is driven by two major factors. The first factor is inflation, is the pure economical factors, and the second is the geopolicy, especially when it shows some tectonical shifts in the global geopolitical situation. Because when the geopolicy structure is changing in the world, it brings a lot of surprises, because the geopolicy is the sphere where you could hardly to forecast something. That's why it's historically that particularly the geopolitical news are the most surprising for the markets, and reaction on the surprise every time and always greater than on some forecasted events, if even they are confirms this forecast. That's why we bring some political moments in our researches, but not because we are politicians, but only because it has some relation to the gold market, and we're interested with the financial impact of the geopolitical news to the financial markets. But to confirm our idea and to give you examples what really is going on and confirm our view on the situation, we need to bring you some examples that you could understand. That's really, we're not just some imagine some story and put it in our thread. So many people right now, some our readers accuse us that we're some followers of the global conspiracy theory or something of that sort. But in reality, we are very far from the tales of the conspiracy story. We mostly analyze the facts and news that we have in the geopolitical sphere, and we'll try to understand their impact on the financial markets. And we're trying to understand whether indeed we're correct in our assessment of the overall situation that indeed the geopolitical order that has been formed within the decades right now starts to change. And some moments that we see right now, they are really confirm this. So we have brought a couple of examples in the today's weekly research. So it has very significant impact, and it will be very important on the long-term perspective on the gold market, because gold market also is driven by the geopolicy. And within big shifts, it could be really very strong supportive factor for the gold in the coming year. Maybe 2017 will become the best in one of the best years for the gold market, and gold market at least will be among the major performances, best performances in the among the other markets. So that's why we just have to take a look at some geopolitical events. So on the technical pictures, as we said, that will be probably our next target. And right now, market still stands in reaction on this resistance. So this is monthly pivot resistance 1 and this minor 618 extension target. It's the same ABC pattern. So on the coming week, we probably will be watching for this pattern that we have discussed on Friday. This is the butterfly pattern. And usually when market forms the butterfly, it shows the deep retracement on the right wing. That's why currently we are mostly watching for the 12 and the 6 area, because this will be 618 support. And take a look on the inner A, B, C top pattern, the 618 extension. So will be agreement. This retracement probably will be too small. So this weekly pivot point at the first 1232 fib support, and it will be not quite logical to reach just this level and start to move up, because guys, gold already has shown deep retracement to the 1215 area. That was the upward continuation. Market has not broken the 1243 top and turns to some retracement. The small retracement after this big retracement and failure of the breakout looks a bit irrational. That's why market needs a bit more time and needs to build more energy to show the breakout here. That's why we expect that retracement will be deeper. And also take a look at the pace of this drop is really fast. That's why it could happen that market really will stop here, but currently we think that it's more probable to get the deeper retracement. That's why our trading plan on the coming weeks just two major points. First point is the weight is dropping its first leg of the retracement, impairing of the bottom of the right wing here. Second, we will be watching for a bullish reversal pattern here and trying to understand whether the market is really ready to go right back up. So the butterflies could become the pattern that will let market to reach 1255 resistance area.